In line with the policy to give more operational freedom to central public sector enterprises, the government is considering giving more autonomy to such entities to make investment decisions up to the 16% of their net worth from up to 14% now without cabinet approval in projects, downstream companies or joint ventures. Full stop. Paragraph. However, the changes will likely apply to CPSES in the strategic sectors such as power, petroleum, coal, and other minerals. The move may further the country's energy and critical minerals security as CPSEs in these sectors are likely to be encouraged to acquire assets overseas. Full stop. Currently, Maharatna CPSEs, which enjoy the highest leeway in terms of devaluation of autonomy, can take investment decisions of up to 15,000 crore or 15% of net worth in one project up to a total of 13% of NW in all projects. Combined, they can acquire raw materials assets abroad through M&A or invest up to 15,000 crore in JV/subsidiary in one project up to a total of 14% of NW in all projects combined. Full stop. Paragraph. These autonomies may be decent in democratic investments but are insufficient for global energy and mineral assets given the competition from China and other countries who enjoy an advantage due to faster decisions making. Sources said the process to combine the cabinet approval on such investment proposals can take months after due consultations. Paragraph. If the government decided to give greater investment autonomy strategic sector CPSEs such as oil and natural gas corporation NTPC, Coal India, Indian Oil and Bharat Petroleum Corporation could get a leg up to a secure Indians interested in critical minerals globally. Full stop. Paragraph. The budget of FY22 unveiled the strategic sector policy which entails the government has a minimum presence in the four board sectors while the remaining ones can be privatized, merged or closed. The sectors where the government will continue to have presence are atomic energy, space and defense, transport and telecommunications, power, petroleum, coal and other minerals, the banking, insurance and finance services. In the non-strategic sector, all CPSEs will be privatized or closed in case privatization is not feasible. Full stop. Paragraph. Last year, the government empowered the boards of the CPSE to privatize, de-invest or close their subsidiaries and sell stake in joint ventures without cabinet approval by just intimating a ministerial panel about their decisions. Full stop.